Alright, Chapter 10 review, number 51. We're supposed to, well, we're given our position vector at time of pi over 4, and we're trying to find the velocity and acceleration vector. So, velocity vector is just the derivative of position. Derivative of 4 cosine is negative 4 sine t I. Plus square root of 2 cosine t j. So there's our velocity, and our acceleration would be yet another derivative, so negative 4 sine, so that'd be negative 4 cosine of t I and minus square root of 2 sine t j. Alright, the speed at t equals pi over 4. So speed is the absolute value of velocity, or the square root of the velocity components squared. So negative 4 sine of pi over 4 squared plus square root of 2 cosine of pi over 4 squared, and that'll give us our speed. Sine of pi over 4 is 1 over square root of 2, or square root of 2 over 2. So I'll say negative 4 times 1 over square root of 2 squared, so that'll be 16 over 2, which is 8. Cosine of pi over 4 is also 1 over square root of 2, so I have the square root of 2 times 1 over square root of 2, which is just 1, squared, which is 1. So now we have 8 plus 1, which is 9, square root of 9, which is 3. So the speed is going to be 3 units per second, whatever it is, at pi over 4. Alright, so now we need to know the angle between the velocity and acceleration vectors. So the angle is inverse cosine of u dot v over u magnitude v magnitude. So to find the dot product, we need to know what the velocity vector is at pi over 4 and the acceleration. So the velocity at pi over 4 is, looking up here, negative 4 times pi, so negative 4 over square root of 2. And then square root of 2 over square root of 2, which is just 1. And our acceleration at pi over 4 is negative 4 over square root of 2 again. So negative 4 over square root of 2 I, and then minus 1 j. Alright, so we're ready to use our formula here. It's the inverse cosine of u dot v, so this times this plus this times this. So let's do v dot a down here. So this times this, which is 16 over 2, which is 8, plus this times this, which is negative 1. So we get 7 over u magnitude. Okay, so it would be v magnitude, which we already know is 3, times this magnitude. So square root of this, well, this squared is still 8, and this is going to be negative, but negative 1 squared is still 1, so 8, so we still get 3, so 3 times 3. So inverse cosine of 7/9. 38.94. Our angle between is 38.94 degrees.